Hello and welcome to this chapter. In this chapter, we are going to talk about why 4G is not enough and what are the expectations or what is the difference between 4G and 5G network. So this is a quick comparison sheet between 4G and 5G. In 4G networks, the latencies were in the range of 10 to 100 milliseconds. In 5G, we are expecting the latencies lesser than 1 millisecond. The peak data rates were 1 Gbps in case of 4G, and in 5G we are going to talk about 20 Gbps kind of peak data rate. The frequency bandwidths were in the range of 20 MHz for LTE and 100 MHz in LTE Advanced, but in case of 5G it can go up to 400 or 800 MHz. The networks were mostly purpose-built hardware, and the hardware and software were tightly integrated and they used to come from the same vendor. But in 5G we are talking about completely cloudified architecture, which is based on SDN and network function virtualization. The subscriber density was 10 raised to the power 5 subscribers per square kilometer, and in 5G we are expecting up to 1 million subscribers per square kilometer. The 4G networks were primarily designed for mobile broadband services, but in 5G we have multiple service verticals which are called as EMBB, Enhanced Mobile Broadband, URLLC, Ultra Reliable Low Latency Communication, and MMTC, Massive Machine Type Communication. The network were primarily designed with some kind of base stations in 4G, but in 5G we are expecting a lot of heterogeneous network, which includes picocells, home node Bs, and even metro and micro kind of stations, and that will have a lot of smaller cells available in the network. That's all what we have in this chapter. In the next chapter, we are going to talk about 5G.